The aroma of pumpkin spice filling your kitchen is like a warm hug on a chilly day. With the holidays approaching, there's nothing better than baking festive pumpkin spice cookies. Soft, chewy, and bursting with cozy flavors. Today, I'll guide you through making these delightful cookies step by step. Let's get started. First, gather your ingredients. 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon ground nutmeg, 1/2 teaspoon ground ginger, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 3/4 cup unsalted butter, softened, 1 cup granulated sugar, 1/2 cup brown sugar, 1 large egg, 1 cup canned pumpkin puree, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Having everything ready makes baking smoother and more fun. Next, in a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients: the flour, baking soda, baking powder, cinnamon, nutmeg, ginger, and salt. This step ensures your cookies bake evenly with a perfect blend of warm spices. If you want to, lightly toast the spices in a dry pan first to release even more aroma. Now, in a separate bowl, use an electric mixer to cream together 3/4 cup softened butter, 1 cup granulated sugar, and 1/2 cup brown sugar until light and fluffy. This usually takes 2 to 3 minutes. This step adds air, creating a cookie that's chewy on the inside and crispy on the outside. Once creamy, add 1 large egg, 1 cup pumpkin puree, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Mix until just combined. Slowly add the dry ingredients to your wet mixture, mixing gently on low speed. Be careful not to overmix. This keeps your cookies tender and soft. If you'd like, fold in chocolate chips or nuts for an extra festive touch. The dough might be a little sticky. That's perfect. Using a cookie scoop or tablespoon, drop rounded balls of dough onto parchment-lined baking sheets. Leave about 2 inches between each to allow spreading. For extra fun, roll the dough balls in sugar or sprinkle cinnamon on top. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Bake your cookies for 10 to 12 minutes. They're done when the edges turn golden brown and the centers look set but still soft. Let them cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes before moving to a wire rack. If you have leftovers, store them in an airtight container at room temperature for up to a week. Add a slice of bread to keep them soft and moist. You can also freeze them for up to 3 months. Make pumpkin spice cookie baking a holiday tradition. Gather loved ones, play festive music, and enjoy creating memories as sweet as the cookies themselves. The joy of baking together is what makes these treats truly special. Now that you know the steps, it's time to bake, share, and savor these festive pumpkin spice cookies. Thanks for joining me today. Be sure to check out this video for more.